heading towards Vermont. Good morning, YouTube. It is bright and early on Friday morning. We are currently still traversing through the state of New York. We are approximately just over 50 miles west of the capital of New York, Albany. Made pretty good time overnight. Only slept about an hour and a half, which, I mean, I suppose I could have slept more, but I felt plenty awake after getting some rest, walking around, getting some nice hot breakfast at a 24-hour Tim Hortons restaurant that was inside of it's almost like a rest stop on the toll system here in New York. They, like you've seen in many states, I know they have them in like Indiana as well, where you don't actually have to get off of the toll highway to get services. They're called service centers here in New York. They're not actually called rest stops, but they usually have like 3 or 4 restaurants. You can get gas, convenience store. Thankfully, I think like every one of them, there's a 24-hour restaurant, and the first one I stopped at had a Tim Hortons, which is fine. So seeing that, I just kind of stayed there for a while, got some rest, and then got up about 2:30 and got myself a nice hot bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, and a couple of really tasty donuts, and some iced tea, because that just sounded good. I mean, it's like a flavored green sweet tea. It's not real sweet, but it's just enough for something cold to drink. So what I'm probably going to end up doing this morning is get through Albany, actually go around it, I think, on the bypasses. And then, hey, the sun just came up at, 5:27, my GPS let me know. So the sun is officially up, although looking out the windshield, you really can't tell with all the clouds we have. Scattered chance of showers pretty much all day today where I'm going, but it's going to stay above about 75 unless I get really close to the ocean today, which that's up in the air. What was I saying? Oh yeah, we're going to get all the way out of New York and get into Vermont, and then I'll probably stop in Vermont for a while, get some more rest, and get some lunch there as well. And then from there, we're going to head further east and somewhat south. I'm actually going to try to hit every northeast state that I can. I think the only one I'm not going to get to is New Jersey, because that's just too far south. I'm not going to drive 100 miles out of my way just to go say I went to a state. I've been to most of the states below that. I've already been to Pennsylvania in the past, and many of the other states south of D.C. So I guess New Jersey will just have to wait for another day. I'm not sure what circumstances bring me out to New Jersey in the future, but it's not going to be at this trip. Finally got off of that tolled highway. $15 basically to go from Niagra all the way to Albany. Got $1 to get on, and then $13.85 when I get back off again to go, about 3/4 of the way through New York. Yikes! But now we are on. Was it I-87, I think? I don't know if that's right. I don't remember what road I got on. But I know we're going to get on to New York number 7. New York Highway, State Highway 7. That'll be our next turn. Heading towards Vermont. Rain's starting to pick up a little bit, though. That shouldn't slow me down at all. Thought it was going to rain on and off the rest of the day. Makes the view out the front windshield a little bit less desirable. Almost took the wrong exit. I don't want to go west, I want to go east.
8.8 miles, take exit 7 on right to RT7 east, then keep left.
See? GPS lady knows. I certainly did.
Take exit 7 on right.
Take exit 7 to merge onto NY7 east towards right.
There we go. Now I got the right one. Definitely off of the highway now. City
Drive
streets.
25 miles on RT7 east. I guess a little cheaper than I thought there. I was expecting $2.45 or $2.49 pretty much everywhere. There's a Popeyes. I was hungry for lunch. Boy, I hope it's not like this all the way to Vermont. 30 miles an hour. Ooh. A little bit of an adjustment. Yay, 40. I'm surprised I haven't seen like the big box store, you know, like a Walmart or a Costco or something. Speak of the devil! I don't mean that literally. If you like Walmart.
Proceed to the route.
Chill out, lady. Alright. Gotta get some sunglasses, maybe, depending on what they got. And there was something else I don't remember. Well, see you in a minute.